Alhaji Oriyomi Hamzat Faraya wọ́n bínú tán bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni wọ́n faraya ni wọ́n fi ìkìlọ̀ ńlá ránṣẹ́ sí gbogbo àwọn tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n fẹ́ máa blackmail wọn. Ó láwọn kan ti ń jáde tó ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí sọ àwọn ìsọkúsọ àwọn kò bá kùn gbé ọ̀rọ̀ wípé àwọn jọ ń ṣèpàdé pọ̀ pẹ̀lú Gumi. Bẹ́ẹ̀ sì làwọn kan ni wọ́n sọ wípé Muslim làwọn igbá kan làwọn ìkòkò bàbá àsásùn wípé wọ́n fẹ́ máa lọ àwọn papọ̀ mọ́ àwọn afẹ̀míṣòfò. Wọ́n ní gbogbo àwọn tó bá ní evidence dání kí wọ́n tètè lọ máa kó àwọn evidence wọn jọ o torí pé kí ni àwọn ọba ẹnìyẹn àwọn ò jọ mú nǹkan lẹ̀ o níbi tọ́rọ̀ dé dúró báyìí. Wọ́n láwọn nǹkan jáde nobel sì ń sọ̀rọ̀ àlùfànṣá àwọn gbọ́ yìí sọ yìí àwọn tí wọ́n ń gbìyànjú àti já ráǹkì àwọn bọ́lẹ̀ láti blackmail àwọn tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n ti fẹ́ máa tag onírú àwọn nǹkan papọ̀ mọ́ra wọn láti rún kàríà ọ̀rọ̀ gómìnà tìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ eléyìí tí wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe yìí. Kò sì sí nǹkan tó lè dáṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run dúró. Gbogbo àwọn gbọ́ yìí sọ yìí wọ́n kàn ń pariwo ẹnu lásán ni. Wọ́n láwọn kan wà tó jẹ́ pé gbogbo ìgbìyànjú wọn láṣà àti já ráǹkì wọn láti blackmail àwọn ẹ wò ó wọ́n ní kán lọ múra lẹ̀ o bẹ́ẹ̀ sì ni kí gbogbo wọn lọ wá evidence wọn níbi tí wọ́n bá kó pamọ́ sí torí pé kí ni àwọn ò jọ mú nǹkan lẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn ẹ̀dẹ́kọ̀dẹ́bọ̀ ẹ̀ súnmọ́ bí ẹ bá wọn nǹkan fìdílé tàbí kẹ́ fìdílé nǹkan kẹ́ tí wọ́n gbàlà yí ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́nu Alhaji Dr. Oriyomi Hamzat. Oriyomi dé òdodo dé ni o ṣe rí ètò ìdìbò ilé tí ń bọ̀ lọ́nà yìí Oriyomi ló ní bẹ́ẹ̀ ni gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí ẹ̀ tí gẹ́ẹ̀tì PVC yín ẹ tètè ló máa gẹ̀ẹ́tì ẹ̀ ní kíákíá láì fi àkókò ṣòfò láì dé ìnà pẹ̀lú ẹ jẹ́ ń gbé fọ́nrán ìwọlé kẹfà balẹ̀ wá gbálà yí ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́nu Alhaji Dr. Oriyomi Hamzat. Ẹ máa ń kọ́mẹ̀ntì kẹ́ máa láì kẹ́sì máa pín fọ́nrán ìkáàkiri lógúnlógún lọ́gbọ̀nlọ́gbọ̀n ó yá ẹ̀ sọ níbẹ̀.
Ẹ kú dédé àkókò yìí ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi jákèjádò àgbáyé. Oriyomi Hamzat lórúkọ mi, ìkan nínú ọmọ yín nípínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ tí ẹ ti mọ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹni mo wó ṣáájú àkókò yìí. Ẹ ti mọ̀ kó ṣèlú tó dé, ẹ ti mọ̀ ìròyìn tó jẹ́, ẹ mọ̀ nǹkan tó ń ṣe. Ìgbà tó ṣèlú tún dé sìn ẹ tún mọ̀ nítorí pé ó dé láti wá báyìí. Mo rántí pé jíjáde wá báyìí gbẹ̀yìn ó ní ọjọ́ tí mo sọ̀rọ̀ nípa káàdì ìdìbò. Mo dẹ̀ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín pé ńṣe ni ibùdó àwọn elétò ìdìbò ní àwọn ìjọba ìbílẹ̀ kódà àti ní ìjọba ìpínlẹ̀ nípínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ ló kún fọ́fọ́ nígbà tí mo sọ̀rọ̀ nípa káàdì ìdìbò. Lára àwọn nǹkan tí mo fi dá yín lójú lọ́jọ́ ẹ̀ ni pé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ tó ń dúró de pé a fẹ́ kó dá wa lójú Oriyomi fẹ́ díje lóòótọ́ ká tó gba káàdì ìdìbò. Mo ní ẹ jáde ẹ lọ gba káàdì ìdìbò. Oriyomi á jáde nítòótọ́ ní agbára Ọlọ́run ló ní ẹ̀mí, òun ló dẹ̀ ní gbogbo nǹkan. Ó máa jáde láti dìbò. Ṣùgbọ́n lénìí nǹkan tí mo wá fún òun náà ni ìkìlọ̀ ìgbẹ̀yìn fáwọn kọlọ̀rọ̀ sí. Ìkìlọ̀ ìgbẹ̀yìn fáwọn kọlọ̀rọ̀ sí. Ṣé rí òṣèlú lóòótọ́ wọ́n ní dirty game ni. I don't want to disagree totally, but I want to tell you emphatically that it is not business as usual. Come 2027, anybody that believes so much in propaganda, lies, fallacies, blackmailing, you may not have your way. The instruments for such atrocities may find their way at behind the bar, while the real game players will be on the field to play the game, and while the real men will contest and the winner will be announced. And when the winner is announced at the end of the day, you may still be at the back of the bar, while the person you are trying to fight for won't be able to help or assist you out of the predicament you put yourself. My dear brothers and sisters, the bloggers, Facebook users, TikTok users, the ex-handlers, I want to appeal to us, please. This is coming from the bottom of my heart. I hate taking people up legally, and I don't want to be forced to do that. I am known for what I am for. I've been on the field of broadcasting for years. I have used my profession to save masses. I've used my profession to assist civil servants. I have used my profession to save the vulnerable people in our society. I've used my profession to fight so many battles that I might just look aside. But I took it upon myself and I fought those battles. Not because of political reasons. I never thought of coming into this political stormy water when all those fights came into me. And I decided not to pick my fight because I believe fighting for the vulnerable is serving your Creator. The God that gives you that power wants you to serve Him. And once you are fighting for the less privileged, the vulnerable in society, I believe so much that you are serving that God. I don't want to believe that everybody will love me. I'm not that stupid. I am not that stupid. But I want to convince you that I will have my people while I will have the people against me. My dear brothers and sisters, if you look at the topic of this particular talk, get your evidence ready. You cannot blackmail me religiously. I am a Muslim by religion. That's the religion I chose. Of nobody can change me from being a Muslim, and you can never crucify me for choosing my religion. Religion is a personal thing. And I can never crucify anybody or fight anybody that chooses his or her own religion. My dear brothers and sisters, I've seen a lot. I've heard a lot. I choose silence. I was waiting for those people that deserve my response. But I took up this particular one because the message is not for those people that have chosen the job of blackmailing me as a priority, but it's for those that will come on here, that will call my phone, that will knock the door of my office and say, Oriyomi, leave them, release them, look aside, withdraw the case. Please, talk to them now before the time comes. If I choose not to answer you that time, do not call me names. That strength you want to use to appeal to me, I want you to use those strengths now to appeal to them, to get their evidences ready. The evidence of where I had a meeting with Gumi, get it ready. The evidences of where you see me romancing with those people that are destroying our society in the name of religion, get it ready. The evidences of where you see Oriyomi Hamzat, and you can prove it beyond reasonable doubt that he is a fanatic, please get it ready. The evidences of where I fought Christians, the evidences of where I fought the traditional believers, please get those evidences ready. I am not going to take it easy, and I'm not going to look aside on this. Take me up for what I have done. I hate people lie. And you are saying it as if you are saying the truth. Get your evidences ready. I'm not arguing with you. I am talking to the people, the people that has the power, the strength, that has the control of the law, that they can call Oriyomi Hamzat look, Oriyomi, you have to drop this. Talk to them now before I start my own. Because if you are talking to me, you are using another name to replace my name. That person that is telling you that you are saved from the cyber bully by doing that is not telling you the truth. For the fact that people can relate what you are saying to me, you have already robbed yourself. I am telling you the truth. I want this to be put, I want you to put an end to this rubbish now. I want you to put a stop to this rubbish now, because there is limits to how I can look aside when you are tampering with the reputation I have built with very hardworking, persistence, tolerance that none of your family member has ever endured to establish. This is Oriyomi Hamzat. Honestly, frankly, I am not joking. I am contesting. If I'm going to be the first person that will start from the grassroots, if I'm going to be the first person that will believe so much in the grassroots, if I'm going to be the first person that you will see as somebody that doesn't have money, that has never siphoned the people's money and bring it back to them to contest the election and be in charge of the resources of the nation. If I'm going to be the first person, I am ready to. Whatever it takes, I want to serve my people, and you can never prevent me from doing the needful. This is Oriyomi Hamzat. I love you all. God bless you.
ẹ tún káàbọ̀ padà yẹn yẹn wá bó lẹ́sẹ̀ rí sí abẹ́rẹ́ pélé tún kí n gbá kan jìkún bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ẹ wá ń comment kẹ́ máa like kẹ́sì máa pín fọ́nrán yìí káàkiri kí ni èròǹgbà ti yín lórí ilé tí ẹ ṣẹ̀gbọ́ tán yìí ẹ jẹ́ darapọ̀ ní abala rẹ̀ wú sí kẹ́ bá mi comment síbẹ̀ kẹ́sì máa pín fọ́nrán yìí ẹ ṣeun tẹ́ ń gbọ́ wa ẹ kú kalẹ̀.
agbe ní gbére pàdé olókun àdùkò ní gbére pàdé ọlọ́sà òdìdẹrẹ́ ní gbére pàdé wọn lóde ìwò fún ìwọ ọmọkùnrin tí nǹkan rẹ̀ ò ṣe déédé ìwọ ọmọkùnrin tí ṣàyàwó rẹ̀ ó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ mọ gbọ́ jìgìjìgì lára lójú lọ mú kára rẹ̀ ó tó le ìwọ ọmọkùnrin tó ń retí ọmọ bíbí ìwọ ọmọkùnrin tó fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan tó dáa láyé pẹ̀lú aya rẹ̀ tí ìfàyàlòyà tí ó fi di nǹkan tó dáa ìwọ tátọ̀ rẹ̀ ń sàn tí ò kí tó láti dọmọ ìwọ ọkùnrin tára rẹ̀ ò le ìwọ ọkùnrin ṣẹ̀ẹ̀kan dìde ìwọ ọkùnrin tátàn rẹ̀ ò dúró déédéé ìwọ ọkùnrin tó ń retí ọmọ ìwọ ọkùnrin tó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ṣègbéyàwó ọgbọ́ capable herbal energy capsule ló nílò fún gbogbo àìṣedéédé ara rẹ kó o lè jẹ́rìí sọmọ bíbí àti nǹkan tó dáa láti ṣe.